It's a 2018 Porsche Panamera. Sports car performance, sedan, luxury, and comfort, the Panamera finally puts your head and your heart on the same page. And with features like these, every drive is a pleasure. Auto shift manual transmission, automatic with driver control suspension management, engine auto stop start feature, power rear spoiler, integrated navigation system with voice activation, refrigerated box located in the glove box, front heated leather bucket seats, external memory control, dual zone climate control, Wi-Fi hotspot, and intercooled turbo V6 engine. Of the Panamera, Motor Trend writes, in typical fashion, Porsche hasn't just done its homework here, it's rewritten the textbook. There's no substitute for a Porsche. The time is now. See it for yourself today.
Call us today at 813-565-0061.